Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the JMeter series. This video we are going to see how to do scheduling. Normally, we schedule jobs in Jenkins, right? Jenkins or Azure Pipeline, right? Or Bamboo. We used to schedule jobs, right? We set up time where when we can execute an order how we are going to execute. That is called as scheduling. Okay, so in JMeter also we have schedulers to control the timing when the plan stops and the when plan ends, right? For example, how much specific time a thread group needs to be executed. For example, 10 seconds or 20 seconds or 30 seconds continuously is going to execute, and after that stop it. We are going to instruct it and it's going to stop it. Okay, so this is how we can schedule, right, in JMeter. Okay, let's see how to do now. Okay, I'll already have a writer's plan. I'll rename it to schedulers. Okay, now let's go to the thread group. I've already had the HTTP request here, post request, which we did in the last video. Okay, let me add another request here. Get request, HTTP request. I'll change it to get request. Okay, I'll add the base URI and the resource of the get request. So as I told you, this can be tested with browser also. We are testing this with the API endpoints. Okay, now that tool is been set up. Now let's add the listeners here. View results tree and view results table. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll first go and play this. Let me execute this thread group. So it's been executing now. Let's say I checked it whether it's working fine. Okay. Now if you see, right, specify thread lifetime. Lifetime means how many seconds the thread needs to be executed. So right, for example, 10 seconds, right, continuously. I'm just instructing that particular thread needs to be executed 10 seconds continuously. For example, checking the concurrency, right, the scalability, right, we used to see, right. We can also check the endurance. Okay, let me run it. See, for example, right, it will wait for 10 seconds continuously. The loop is going to continue and it's going to stop here. Okay, see, after 10 seconds, the continuous loop is getting stopped. See, for example, in thread group, if you remember, if I went to thread group, I gave infinite here. Okay, infinite means it will be non-stop. Okay, so I gave this loop, right, run it for 10 seconds here. Okay, so it will run for 10 seconds and it's going to start and stop. Okay, so this is how we can do scheduling here. Let me add in another thread group. I'll already had. Okay, let me enable it. There are two thread groups now with our two requests, post request and get request. Let me add the view results table here. View results tree and the view results table. So there are two threads here. Okay, so there is an option here. I can give consecutively. For example, execute thread 1 and then go for thread 2. Like that I can set it up. Okay, how to do is, right, one minute. There's a thread group 1 and thread 2. Okay, there is a post request 1 and post request 2. Okay, I just setting it up 1 minute. Okay, now I'll go to the test plan. There is an option, right? Run thread groups consecutively. If I click it, it will run consecutively. After thread group 1 executes, then it's going to start the thread group 2. Like that, we can schedule it. Okay, let me run it. I'm using the same user for each iteration, and I'm giving then I'll go to the group, then I'll run it. So it will run for 10 seconds, one and first one, then it will give go for two. Okay, first thread one will be executed for 10 seconds, then it's going to start the two. 1 minute. There is a issue here. Now let me run. I just uncheck the infinite. Let me run. See, first post request one is executed, then post request two. Okay, first post request one executed, first run executed, then it's going for the second thread. Okay, like that we can schedule our thread groups in the test plan. Okay, we can add threads also in between. Okay, that also can be achieved with the help of this JMeter. Okay, so how to do it? Right, let me go and click infinite one, then specify the lifetime thread 20 seconds. So the thread group is for 20 seconds is going to execute the first thread. This thread is going to run for 10 seconds. Okay, there is a delay for 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm just going to add in between. Okay, like that I have set up. Okay, let me run it. See, first is executing. First I gave for 20 seconds, right, lifetime of the thread. Second I gave for 10 seconds. See, 20 seconds, 90, 20. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me see, check 1 minute. And change the infinite 1 minute. Let me run now. 1 minute. Let me clear it and run. The first request is waiting for now 9 seconds, 10 seconds. Now after 10 seconds, second request is came. Okay, so after one request, right, first request, then the second request is coming for every 10 seconds. Okay, so hope this one is useful to you. Okay, thanks for watching the video. We'll meet you soon in the next part of video. Have a nice day. Bye.